Hey, welcome to the humble abode. This one's going to be short, sweet, and simple. Just cleaning up some bolts and getting them to look a little better. You can see I've already gotten started here. Just got a little ultrasonic cleaner. Filled her full of purple power. Don't need much, and I don't want to fill the big one up and waste purple power for no reason. But what we're doing here, just to show you, run them through a thread chaser. We're going to get them looking good. Feeling good, all that. But the main thing I want to do is clean up these bolt heads, which I'll show you shortly how I'm going to do that. Just to show you why, if you can see that right in there, it's pretty grody. And that's the reason we're running it through a thread chaser, getting those threads all cleaned up. Just to show you, this is what we're starting out with on a lot of these bolts. Oily, grimy, dirty. And to me, just don't seem right when we got fresh powder coated parts ready to go and a nice little painted engine. Let me get you set back up here and we'll go over the game plan. I got this metal pegboard at Walmart, and my idea is, because I bought too much of this, but it's all gonna work out. We're gonna take these holes, drill them out a little bigger so these bolts will sit down. Once they're sitting down in like that, only the bolt heads will show. All the unused holes just tape off. We're going to throw this in the blast cabinet, clean these heads all up. And then the same tray is also going to be used for powder coating because it's steel and it's already powder coated, so I don't have to worry about anything burning off or getting carried away cleaning this thing. But we're going to get into the actual process. I'm going to finish cleaning up some of these bolts. We'll get that modified and away we go. So admittedly, that wasn't my finest work or my finest hour, but got the job done. In hindsight, should have put a sacrificial piece under that. That way, wasn't drilling in my workbench by accident and would have better supported this. But to show you what I was talking about, let's do this. That's what I'm going to do with all these bolts here. Get them good ready, so I'll see you in the blast cabinet. So here we are, back at the bench, sandblasted everything. You can even see a few new parts showed up, which these are just motor mounts. But to show you how well these bolt heads cleaned up, take a little gander at that. Tell you, once those get powder coated, especially once I re-separate everything out and get it color coordinated, because I do want to highlight the two different colors that's going on this engine. But this is going to look a lot better than those old grody bolts. So, let's get powder coating. see you there. I can say for me, it's been a little bit of OT in here. Running a little past midnight. It's actually about 3 o'clock in the morning, but this was all worth it. And if you stuck around to the end, I got one heck of a payoff for all you guys. This is something I've been alluding to, and this is the first time this engine's actually been fully dressed to see how everything's going to be. And whew, I tell you, I'm just so excited about it. Powder coating those bolts really brought it together. So let's check it out. So, this is the 6-liter, all dressed up. First time I've actually had all the parts together on it. See how things fit. So far, I'm saying it's starting to look great. Really takes me back to that 383 build I did for my 3rd gen Camaro. There's a few things that still need done. Block still needs to be fully prepped. The water pump and the heads, I want to get all the corrosion off, but I want to leave those the natural aluminum. I'm just going to clear coat over, prevent the corrosion from coming back. And I want to clean this intake up. I'm going to figure out how to get it a nice gloss black. And a few other things. There's more bolts that need done, but slowly getting there. And if you're wondering what this is going into, it's going into that Trailblazer back there. Something I want to say, I'm planning on starting a series here. It's going to be probably about bi-weekly, at least that's the plan so far, and it's going to be called Shop Sundays, and it's going to be kind of just a general shop talk, going over plans and just, you know, hanging out in the garage, shooting crap. Stick around. I'm glad you stopped by. It means a lot, and hopefully you come back to see how this all goes. So till next time, I'll catch you.